Do you get frustrated when you have to join millions of small pieces to make a bias tape? Here I'm going to show you how we used a small piece of fabric and made this bias tape in less time with just 2 seams. Before we start, our channel is all about learning fashion design. We make videos related to drafting, sewing, embroidery, illustration, design concept and lot more. If you wish to learn from these topics, do subscribe our channel. Hey everyone, welcome back. Here I have a small piece of fabric. Just make sure it's a square. The stretch is here. Now start with making a diagonal line. Cut on the line. Take one side of the square, flip and place it on the other side. Leave about ½ inch at the sides and stitch it. Open the seams and iron it. Decide the width of bias tape. Here I am making 1-inch tape. Mark the width on the wrong side of the fabric. If there is any extra left, just cut it out. Place the fabric such that the right side is facing you. I just marked on the right side also so that it becomes easy to explain. You don't need to make on right side. Now fold from one side end on the center diagonal stitched line. Do the same with the other corner. Now shift the last line upwards and match the lines. Make sure all lines align properly. Pin them so they stay in place. Now stitch at 1/4 inch seam allowance. Iron open the seams. Start cutting from one end, following the line. That's it. Bias tape ready. Any doubts, do let us know. If you like our video, consider giving us a like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye.